Okay, greetings, Spartan runners. Hey, this is our new website. Um, so you're getting this video as a tutorial of sorts because I want to make sure you're able to download the goal sheet that I have under here under the summer mileage tab. So we'll go there right now. Um, and here we go. You could read the little text I put together on the left on your own time, but we will add one of these. These are 5 of the goal sheets that I created. These are 12-week goal sheets. So I'll go ahead and go to the 300 Mile Club. Okay, as you can see, I've dated it starting on June 1st. And as I scroll down, you'll see all 12 weeks. The 12th week gets us to August 23rd. I believe we start school here August 14th. Let's see, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. I think it's the 15th, actually, Thursday the 15th. This is a 300 plan that does not utilize Sunday. Okay, now let me just make these cells clear to you. The red number is your goal. And so that's already written for you. That's what you want to try to achieve per day. And you can see weekly for the 300 sheet starts at 18 miles. It continues with 18, and then it adds 3 more miles on the 3rd week. And so we get 21, 24, and so on. So it's a progressive increase in mileage, which is the safest way you want to do it. We always start our mileage at a lower mileage, and then it increases all the way up to the end. And again, that's the safest way to gain your mileage. Now, for your purpose of downloading this miles sheet, you're going to want to go to the actual row and add your mileage. So let's just say you match the goal for June 1st. And so I'm going to go ahead and add 3. I'll do that now. Oh, actually, here's what I need to do first. I need to go to File and make a copy because this is my template. So let's do that. Make a copy, and this is where you're gonna want to type your name. So I'll just do my normal fictitious name, Dude Jones, 300 mile goal, and you can put 2019, whatever, and click OK. And so there it is. Now I can actually use it because it's my copy. So I'm going to add 3 because that's what I ran for June 1st. And you can see that automatically the week totals up. And then as you go through your running program week by week, it allows you to total up the cumulative effect from week to week. So in other words, let's say I go to June 13th here, and let's say I have a longer day, okay, of 8 miles. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that, and you can see how it accumulates. From week 3 I had 3 miles, week 2 I had 8 miles, and then the cumulative effect, of course, is 8 plus 3 is 11. And then you can see all the way down to the end here. Okay. Ideally, you want to stick with the mileage, okay? You don't want to do these huge leaps, but it's going to happen, okay? You really want to try to avoid as much interruption as possible, okay? For this 300-mile plan, this is for the beginning runner, the freshman, the 9th grader, or the sophomore girl, or the new runner. It might be a senior who's running for the very first time. Okay, you can always jump in mileage after the 3rd or 4th week if you feel like you're able to do that. But again, these mileages are set up so that it's safe and that you don't run too much too soon. Okay, again, you can adjust it as you get further down into the summer. Like in the 8th week, if you're consistent, you might be strong enough to jump up from a 27-mile week to maybe 37. Okay, but we can talk about that if you need help making a decision. Now, just so you know, again, you're going to want to try to stick to the mileage daily, and but you can see how helpful this is once you download it and make your own copy. You just go ahead and add that mileage in, and then when it's all said and done, you're going to have proof that you did it. Now, I have an award, and that is a Spartan 1,000-mile club t-shirt, but I will also give it to those who complete the 500-mile t-shirt. Sorry, the 500-mile summer distance. I think it would be interesting how many of you could challenge yourselves. And I guarantee you, if you can complete this, either 500 or somewhere in between, you would, of course, notice how fit you will have become. If you're in between 500 and 1,000, say you decide to do the 750 plan, you will also get a 500-mile t-shirt. But I only have the 2 t-shirts. The more I design, the more expensive it becomes. So I'm going to keep it at those 2 goals. But please make sure you talk to me first if you're not sure which plan to attempt. All right, guys. Please have a look at the website. I'm sure you'll see this more in the future from me, in either in emails or whatever. But it is lacagnatacc.com. Okay, so that's it. I can't wait to see how many of you guys can handle these higher mileages for this coming summer. I promise you're going to feel like a new runner. All right, thanks a lot for watching.